Crowberries are less heard of in many of the regions, where all 4 seasons are enjoyed. The tree of this fruit also grows flowers of a purplish color, and its leaves are light green. This small-sized fruit comes with a range of health benefits and has long been used for cooking, as well as therapeutic purposes in the Nordic countries. Rather acidic in taste, it gives a nice tinge of bitterness, while at the same time offering a light aromatic smell. Nutritionally, crowberries consist of copious amounts of antioxidants, fiber, manganese, vitamin C, vitamin K, and copper. They also contain high water content. The antioxidants in crowberries contain the highest oxygen radical absorbance capacity, ORAC, compared to other fruits, which have enabled it to be part of the new category of functional foods that have come to known as superfoods. 1. Dysentery Cure. Dysentery, an infection of the intestines manifested by severe diarrhea, can be treated by boiling some crowberries along with its stems in water. Especially consuming this solution can be very helpful in stopping the loose motions and diarrhea, and for keeping the body hydrated. 2. Helping with kidney issues. Eating crowberries every day can be very beneficial in conditions where stones are formed in the kidney. Try consuming them at least for a month. 3. Acne Cure. Enriched with vitamin C like all other berries, it can be very helpful in curing blemishes, wrinkles, and acne. Mixing it with chick flour and making a face mask, or even applying it in isolation, can be very helpful to treat such conditions. 4. Anti-aging. Free radicals develop in the skin as a person grows old. Due to high antioxidant content in crowberry, it helps one look younger, and their skin remains fresher as well intact. 5. Regulation of menses. Crowberry leaves are considered to be strong uterine tonic, as they regulate menses and also provide relief from excessive menstrual bleeding. It is considered to be the first-line home remedy for such issues. 6. Treating stomach issues. For the treatment of stomach issues, boil crowberries and intake the soaked ones with 1 tablespoon of honey. This is an ideal remedy for constipation, if continued for a month. 7. Use as eye wash. Eye problems such as conjunctivitis and others can be cured by soaking the roots of crowberry plant in water, and washing the eyes with it. 8. Controlling fever. Because they are astringent, slightly bitter in nature, crowberry leaves and branches are used for the treatment of colds and fever. 9. Treating epileptic seizures. In Russia and some other parts of the world, crowberries are largely in use as a folk medicine, for the treatment of epilepsy, anthrax, and other nervous disorders that are caused by an imbalance in the firing of neurons in the brain. The Russian medicine discussed above is known as Empetrin, and it contains large amounts of crowberries to treat epilepsy. 10. Treating paralysis. Due to its remarkable properties, nutritional values, and high water content, crowberry is known for providing a soothing and calming sensation to the nerves. This enables the body to develop more strength to treat paralysis and other nervous disorders of the kind on its own. 11. Ideal for weight loss. If you are aiming to reduce weight at a faster pace, crowberries are ideal for you. They are enriched with antioxidants which help in strengthening the functioning of the digestive system and improving metabolic rate, ultimately leading to faster weight loss. They also wash the harmful toxins out of the body, because of heavy dietary fiber content in them. Therefore, including this fruit in your daily diet regimen can be ideal for the overall health of the body. Because of their high water content, they also have a strong diuretic effect inside the body, which washes off the excess water stored by the body, thereby causing a decrease in weight. 12. Used as a food dye. Boiled crowberries serve the purpose of excellent food dye, and they are a crucial part of numerous scrumptious food recipes. Some of the delicious uses of raw crowberries include juicing them, or using them to make wine, jellies, or other sweets. Akutak is a kind of Eskimo's ice cream and crowberries are eaten along with it. 13. Industrial usage. Crowberries have a strong coloring ability, and therefore, they are also used as a natural dye in the textile industry, which makes it an effective, less harmful alternative for the unnatural dyes. Because the crowberry plant is tough, the Nordics have also been widely using it as brooms and pan scrubbers. 14. Beauty-enhancing products. With a shift in preference for beauty products making the organic, nature-based skin and hair care products the top choice of consumers, Crowberry enjoys a good reputation as a very useful ingredient for countless such products. Bursting with the goodness of vitamin C and antioxidants, Crowberry remains the #1 option for the enhancement of skin beauty. 15. Controlling blood sugar. Crowberry juice is very effective in controlling high blood sugar levels. When consumed on a daily basis, it proves to be highly effective not only in maintaining ideal blood sugar, but also in prevention of the diseases that are caused by high blood sugar or diabetes. 16. Strengthening immune system. Vitamin C strengthens, vitalizes and provides the necessary vigor to the immune system, making it stronger to fight with the harmful toxins inside the body. Crowberry is enriched with vitamin C, and thus it is a very useful little fruit to provide the immune system with necessary vitality and strength to fight the harmful foreign particles inside the body. You can get all these health benefits and more by adding crowberries to your diet.